Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app videos, and today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can use Snapchat on the web. Alright, so Snapchat has released a new web version where you guys can use Snapchat on your browser. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do that. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on now. First step, what you want to do is search for Snapchat. Alright, so you can search for Snapchat web like this. You search for Snapchat web, the first option where it says web Snapchat, click on it. It's going to take you to the website version of Snapchat, so wait for some time until it loads up, and it's going to bring you to the login page. Alright, now once you're in its login page, enter your username or your email, whichever thing you find comfortable, which is linked with your Snapchat account. So I'm going to enter my username over here and then enter the password of your account. So I'm going to enter the password of my Snapchat account and click on login. Now once I do that, wait for some time now. Now what I need to do is open my same Snapchat account on my Snapchat app on my phone. So it's going to send you a verification link on your Snapchat app. Log in into your Snapchat app on your phone and click on yes. Once you click on yes, it means you have approved that you are the owner of this account, and it's going to be opened on the website just like this. So yeah, that's how you guys can use Snapchat on web. Now once it loads up, you can click photo, you can read messages, or you can do anything you want on the Snapchat web. Alright, so what I need to do is wait for some time. It's loading. Now I can click a photo, use any filters I want over here, or I can even talk with my any other friends if I want to by searching over here. It's similar to like the mobile version of Snapchat. Every feature is available over here as well, but the thing is you need to have a webcam. If you are using a PC which doesn't have a webcam, then you cannot click photos or do anything. You can just message others. Alright, so hope you understand. Hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.